आज जो पुलिस अधिकारी और कर्मचारी 2025-26 मसीह भलो काम पाई डीजीपी डिस्क पाई विवेचित होते 1 एप्रिल रे से आज डीजीपी डिस्क प्रदान करा जाए 55 अधिकारी विभिन्न रैंक रे से डीजीपी डिस्क पाई तार संगे संगे 19टा केस रे जोटे कन्विक्शन है अल्प समय भितर से भी इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग ऑफिसर सुपरवाइजिंग ऑफिसर डिस्ट्रिक्ट एसपी एवं पब्लिक प्रोसिक्यूटर से सम्मानित करा जाए। अमर सदावेले चेष्टा अच्छी जो समय रे पुलिस अधिकारी माने भलो काम करुछंती परिश्रम करुछंती सेमानो को रिकॉग्नाइज करा जाओ और सेमानो को सम्मानित करिवा पाई जेमती से माने मोटिवेट हुए आसंता दिन मानकर और अधिक भलो काम करिवा पाई अमर चेष्टा चाली थी। अमर जो परसेंटेज ऑफ कन्विक्शन अच्छी से इम्प्रूवमेंट आनिवा पाई और तार रिजल्ट भी देखा जाऊ अपन माने देखी थी एवं बहुत अल्प समय रे अमर इन्वेस्टिगेशन का प्रोसेस शुरू छी और ट्रायल भी अल्प समय भितर आमे चेष्टा करू छी सारीवा पाई और से भलो परिमाण भी बारू छी। जो जगह रे हीनियस क्राइम रे कन्विक्शन अल्प समय रे भलो रिजल्ट बारू छी कन्विक्शन होची से इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग ऑफिसर सुपरवाइजिंग ऑफिसर डिस्ट्रिक्ट एसपी एवं पब्लिक प्रोसिक्यूटर को मोटिवेट करवा पाई मजरे मजरे एमतीरा प्रोग्राम करा जाए और से को सम्मानित करा जाए। आईओ मानू को हमें से समय रे गोटे लेटर ऑफ एप्रिसिएशन संगे कैश अवार्ड भी दिया जाए। मु आशा करे ये प्रक्रिया द्वारा जो अमर थाना फांडी रे अमर ऑफिसर माने काम करुछंती से माने चेष्टित हवे अमर परसेंटेज ऑफ कन्विक्शन को और इंप्रूव करवा पाए।
सर ओडिसा पुलिस को सफल करिया पे आपण जो स्पीच रे कहले एटीएस कथा कहले एंटी टेररिस्ट स्क्वाड और एएनटीएफ एंटी नारकोटिक्स सी विषय रे कोन सर से नुवा वर्टिकल आरंभ हबा जाउची केते दिन में कंप्लीट हबो और सक्रिय हो।
मु राज्य सरकार को विशेष करके माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जो गृह मंत्री भी होती धन्यवाद देवा को चाहिए ओडिशा तक पुलिस तरफ रू मोर निज तरफ रू गोला 2 वर्ष भीतर ओडिशा पुलिस रा जो बहुत वर्ष रू अमर असुविधा अमर थिला तार बहुत परिमाण रे समाधान आई 17,000 रु अधिक नुआ पोस्ट सैंक्शन करा जाई छी। हमें आशा करू छी निकट भविष्य रे सेवाना जो भर्ती प्रक्रिया अच्छी सेटा आरंभ होबो। पुलिस स्टेशन जो मोबिलिटी रा असुविधा देखा जाऊला से भारी इम्प्रूवमेंट आसी प्रत्येक जिला थाना को अपन जानी चंती स्कॉर्पियो गाड़ी दिया जाए प्रत्येक आईओ को मोटरसाइकिल किंबा स्कूटी दिया जाए प्राय 647 स्कॉर्पियो और 5,500 पाखापाखी मोटरसाइकिल और स्कूटी विभिन्न थाना को दिया जाए क्षेत्र आईओ मानारा मोबिलिटी रे इम्प्रूवमेंट है को इन्वेस्टिगेशन फंड रा व्यवस्था करा जाए इन्वेस्टिगेशन रा खर्च करवा पाई से पाखरे एबे फंडी से पाखरे उपलब्ध अच्छी और तार भलो परिमाणटा भी देखा जाउची 2025 एमती गोटे वर्ष होची जो वर्ष रे पूरा वर्ष जिते लोक हजी थिले तारु अधिक संख्या रे लोक मानो को हमें रिकवर करी पारकी और से प्रीवियस ईयर अभी बहुत लोग जो हजी के थिले सेमानो को भी रिकवर करा जायछि एटा संभव ही पारला मात्र इन्वेस्टिगेशन फंड द्वारा हमें भारी संख्या रे पुलिस रा टीम को अन्य राज्य को और अन्य जिला को में पठाई पारलो से जो पिला माने झिया पिला माने वुमन माने बहुत दिन रू जो मिसिंग थिले सेमानो को हमें खोजिबारे हमें सक्षम हेलु और अपन देखिबे एबे जो हीनियस क्राइम भी हमर होची 24 रु 72 घंटा भीतर प्राय हमर केस रा इन्वेस्टिगेशन ता हमें लोगों को जो एक्यूज क्षेत्र थिले सेमानो को हमें धरी पारु छु क्षेत्र हमको सफलता मिलु छी और अपन गोटे ट्रेंड देखी थी गोला 1.5 वर्ष भीतर कि अल्प समय रे इन्वेस्टिगेशन शुरू छी और अल्प समय रे हमें चेष्टा करू छी हीनियस क्राइम रे ट्रायल को सारीवा पाई और तार भलो परिमाण भारू छी आज सेमतीरा 19टा केस रे 85 जन अधिकारी को सेमानो को सम्मानित करा जाए छी और मु आशा करे कि सेमानारा कार्यकलाप को देखी के अन्य इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग ऑफिसर माने भी उत्साहित हेबे और से माने भी भलो इन्वेस्टिगेशन करबा पाई और जेमती कल्प समय रे अल्प समय रे से इन्वेस्टिगेशन ता सरी पारी को सेति पाई से माने चेष्टित हेबे।
Felicitating the police officers for their outstanding investigating capabilities. We are also going to felicitate the officers whose outstanding contribution have been recognized in the course of organizing Nyaya Samhita exhibition. All of you might be knowing that from 6th March to 12th March, Nyaya Sanhita exhibition will conducted in Bhubaneswar. It was originally scheduled for 5 days, but on the 5th day, Honorable Chief Minister visited. The Nyaya Sanhita exhibited basically there were 12 stalls, and it was showing a crime scene starting from the commission of crime, visit of IO, forensic science, medical, court trial, appeal to the higher courts also. So the entire process was put up in a dramatic presentation to exhibit how the new things will bring speedy trial, how e-sakshi can be used, how forensics can be used to effectively give evidence, how in the through med labor doctors will be sending their exhibition. So basically it was so to be shown as a seamless process where everything can be completed in a time-bound manner, and even the trial and appeal can be done in the time-bound manner.
Some effort was made on the side of CRP for upgrading the system. But we had a lot of capacity, a lot of money. Lot of effort has gone in meeting the requirements of Nyaya Sanhita. If we look at where did we stand at the national level pre-Nyaya Sanhita, that is pre-1st July 2020. Historically speaking, we have been low in the fiction rate. In fact, one of the lowest, whether the state's lowest in conviction. I would say that we were very poor in conviction. Hardly 9%, 10%, 12%. That was our rate of conviction, one of the lowest in the country. One that no state police can be proud of. Now, why such a low rate of conviction? Historically so. There can be many reasons. Lack of good investigation, lack of good supervision, no follow-up in the courts, trials going by default, so forth and so on. I would also say while the police infrastructure was poor on the civil side, the judicial system and judicial infrastructure was also poor. Because pendency in the courts was huge. The case will come for trial after many, many years. By that time, witness would have either been won over, gained over, or they would have forgotten what they had observed many years back. IO will either not be available or will be retired from service. So all sorts of issues have been contributed to a huge number of cases ending in acquittal. I have always believed that if we call ourselves professionals, then the case that we have investigated or supervised has to end in conviction. Otherwise, there is no professionalism. FIR is lost. We examine few people, do some sort of investigation, and we submit charge sheet. So Odisha had a dubious distinction of having one of the highest percentages of charge sheet in the country and one of the lowest percentages of conviction. The gap between charge sheet and conviction was huge, to the extent of 55 to 70%. So this was something of which no state can be proud of. So this challenge of coming up to the expectations of Nyaya Sanhita, upgrading our infrastructure, upgrading our labs, giving training to our investigating officers. At one point of time, after introduction of Nyaya Sanhita, if I'm not wrong, I think, let's say, the fourth quarter of 25, our placement was 28. 28 major states in the country, and we got 28 in implementation of Nyaya Sanhita. While all other states were picking up and their ranking was going up, we were sliding down. There were many reasons for that. Some issues with CCTNS, some with our SCRB, inadequate forensic capabilities, lack of investigating officers in the police station continues to be so even today. And I would also say the distance of the investigating officers to transit from the old system to the new system. E-Satya was not happening. It is happening today, but still lot of gap to be covered. Medley one is not happening. We are still in transition stage, lot of effort is required. But there is a lot of effort, involvement of the district SPs, frequent reviews. Gradually we have risen from 28 places to 10th placing as of today. Avinash Kunal is here. He has left. So I presume that today we stand at 10th placing if we are not sit down again. Normally, a state of the size of Odisha, our normal placement, if we compare the other, would be 12, 13. If you are 10, it means we are little above our normal placement. But I would say that we should not be satisfied with 10th placement. We should aim for being in first three. And it is possible. On my prompting, Director SCRB, every second of 30 years, putting that message in groups, the meaning status of all the district where they stand and what effort will make them improve their placement at the national level. To me, it appears to do it. Let me also share that Odisha is the only state which has invested in a big way in police station in the recent past. We are the only state in the country which has given lack of proof for the investigation. So other states have become tablet, and that also to some of the items. We are the only state which has given motorcycle to all the items. We are the only state which has made provision for investigation fund. Result is visible on the ground. Result is visible on the ground. Let me congratulate all the young SPs, those who are here, and all the investigating officers that are here. When I look at the daily crime report, every day it is put before me. I am finding that in most of the heinous cases, heinous crime, the accused are getting apprehended from 24 to 70 hours. And when I am saying this, I mean to say that if 10 cases are reported, at least in 9 cases, this kind of performance is happening. It is not a small achievement. It's a very big achievement. And my congratulations to all of you. Without the efforts of the AIT, the district SPs, the SDPOs, the inspector in charge in the police station, the investigating officer, this would not have happened. Where the headquarters has been of help is increasing your mobility in the police station, making your funds available so that you don't have to look left and right when the investigation is to be done and you are not short of. I have been making effort to ensure that all my district SPs have adequate funds available at their and both under investigation, OE expenses, and the disciplinary funds. I don't think any institution is short of that funds. And last month we started giving disciplinary funds right to the police station. So about 1,000 accounts have been opened. 647 police stations, about 200 plus account of SDPOs, and some additional SP and DSPs. So all around 1,000 officers, they got the first installment of disciplinary funds in the last month and this month, and that will become a routine. Why I am saying so? I am mentioning this, that state government has been very, very cooperative. Whatever request we have sent from state police headquarters, whatever proposals we have submitted, all our requests have been granted. Even the winner, That आपका O3C and what you call it now S4C. That materialized day before yesterday.
State Cyber Command Coordination
Center. So all of the verticals that we had thought of, that we had planned for, whether it is road safety vertical, whether it is cybercrime vertical, all these things have materialized. I have no words to thank Honorable Chief Minister for the magnanimity that he has shown towards police department. It's not a small measure that in 2 years, less than 2 years, to be precise 1.5 years, we have been sanctioned 17,000 plus crores. This is not a small achievement. Of course, those men are not available on the ground at today. Recruitment and training will take time. But sanctioning, getting sanctioned 17,000 crores is not a small. Making 20 cyber and economic offenses police stations in a very short span of time, again, it is not small. What I am trying to say, that government has been more than magnanimous to us. Let me inform you that 16 of the coastal districts, they will start getting a lot of equipment for their police station. Just let me give you an example. For the 16 police stations, we have planned for providing a 100 kilowatt genset to both the district police office as well as a 50 kilowatt genset at the residence office, a 50 kilowatt genset for all the police stations, a 20 kilowatt genset for all the outfits, push cutters, searchlights, and many other equipment at each police station. A waterproof Shamiana which can cater to 250 people for each police station. So all these funds are in place. The procurement cycle is on. ADG government is also looking after disaster. We managed to get this fund in the name of disaster management. So another lot of funds that we have obtained, that is in the name of Subhadra Rakshai. Shiny has left. In that we have been given in this budget 100 crore for CCP. We plan to all the BFC over, and we plan to go for 4 districts where the CCTV process will start.